Mr. Rangam BIR, thank you for being with us today. Could you please tell us a few words about the trends for 2012 for the Romanian insurance market?
Well, I would say overall, taking into context the challenging economic environment that we are currently encountering in Europe in general, with the crisis in the Western European countries, plus the situation with regard to the public deficits and stuff, one can say that economically 2012 might be a challenging year for all of us. Of course, the insurance market will be somehow following the economic developments, as we all know, because the insurance market is quite closely linked to the overall economic growth. And in this regard, I think all of us have a reason to be cautious because we have open questions with regard to what would be ultimately the economic growth, what will be the level of investments coming into Romania, what will be, let's say, the flow of credit, what would be interest rate policy, exchange rate policy, and taking all of these factors into consideration, I would say overall one can expect that 2012 has to be also a year where one has to be cautious. But personally, I'm an optimist. And what I certainly hope that after facing 3 years of decline, we might begin to see some degree of recovery, coming mainly not from the fact that there will be an increase in the number of risks or insured items or insured persons in Romania, because I think that will remain fairly stable. Also, we cannot expect that the motor market or new car sales will increase dramatically. But considering the fact that in RCA, in MTPL, we had very low prices last year, I would hope that there is an improvement in the pricing environment. One can also hope that on the property side, we had a big growth last year with the number of risks due to the household market expansion, but that also led to lower pricing. And the fact that in 2012 there is a need for higher reinsurance capacity. Also, the reinsurance market environment overall from a pricing perspective has changed. Companies would have to have higher reinsurance protection and also have higher reinsurance pricing factored in, so that might have an effect to a certain extent on the property pricing. So taking this into consideration, there might be some positive support for the market from a pricing perspective. But of course, on the other side, the casco market will continue to be quite difficult. As we have seen from a leasing perspective, the leasing market environment will not really change. Also on the industrial commercial property side, because if we take a look at the overall economic environment, a lot of the industrial commercial clients have also pressure on their business, so they are not able to really expand or become big buyers of insurance. So there will be pricing pressure and capacity pressure, also coverage pressure on that segment. So all in all, taking all of these factors into consideration, I would say that we would do well to have some positive growth between 0 to 5%. That's my kind of positive expectation, but I don't expect it to be a major growth. The best case would be somewhere, some positive figure of growth. That's what I expect.
I'm glad it's positive. Anyway, I would stand with the trends and ask you about the online sales. How do you see this channel in 2012?
Well, in the long run, I would say that the online channel will continue to be a channel which offers a lot of opportunities. Allianz was a pioneer when we entered this market already some years ago with Allianz Direct, and we have had a very, very positive experience with the online channel during this period of time. We have had almost 20 to 25% growth year on year, and considering the fact that we offer most of the product lines on the non-life side, which are required by the clients who are buying them online. Of course, the profile of the online client is different. They are more urban, they are more price sensitive, they are younger in their profile. But overall, as I see, Romania offers a huge opportunity. Why? Because first of all, I think as a population, Romanians are very IT savvy. We have seen last year, especially in 2011, one of the sectors in Romania which was really growing and contributing positively for the economic growth was the IT sector. And there have been a lot of investment going on in the IT sector. Also, if I see the penetration of online presence of the population is increasing. From an infrastructure perspective, as I said, on a broadband level, Romania has one of the fastest broadband speeds in the world and cheapest internets. It is, in fact, I think, if I remember my figures correctly, it is even within the top 5 in terms of broadband speed. And that provides the opportunity for people to really go and explore all the information that is available, all the, all the know-how, or make themselves aware in general. And I think that's going to be one of the positive drivers. What we have seen from other markets, the development of the broadband and the online market is a big driver for development of the online insurance industry also. And I think that will come. We can see that also from other companies which are investing. We are also seeing brokers which are investing into this technology, and overall the penetration will increase, considering the fact that in 2012 we will still face a fairly challenging economic environment. Clients will still be quite price sensitive, so they would want to make themselves aware of all the offers which are there in the market. They will go online, they will take a look at the pricing, they will take a look at the terms and conditions, they will visit the websites of the brokers and the insurance companies and try to make up their mind in terms of what is the best offer for them. As we see, a lot of clients go online, they do the calculations, they download the calculations and even come to us. So they will use the internet to make a lot of comparisons, to search for information, and at the end of the day, I think that will, over a period of time, really support the development of the online market. And I think that's an expectation we have from an insurance company side. I think it's also an expectation also all our partners like the brokers and other companies which operate in this space also have.